AVAIL for AutoCAD and Civil 3D allows users to search their library or browse channels to find the asset that they need for their project. Harvesting your block library through AVAIL will give you full-text search capability across all your details. From there, it's as easy as a drag and drop directly from the add-in into your project. To configure the add-in, you'll want to configure your channel groups and application mappings in the AVAIL desktop. Here, you'll notice that I've grouped these channels together and labeled them block libraries. To have additional channels appear in the add-in, simply add a new channel group to the application map for AutoCAD. Mapping your channel groups to AutoCAD will automatically publish them to the add-in. Thanks for watching. Check out more videos to learn how to harvest your block libraries and create pipe network catalogs.